Hey there, it's Jenna from the Intern Hustle. And you know what I love? When you let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me next. This video is in direct response to a message that I received from a student on LinkedIn. They asked, I was wondering if you could do a video on networking and how to get past the stage of the brief introduction so that you can form a deeper connection. Why, yes, I can, and I would love to. In this video, I am breaking down the tips that will help you go from just networking to building meaningful relationships. It's time to bust past the high level, tell me about yourself, or what do you do conversations, and get people to share stories and feel connected to you. Hit that like button if you want to learn one of my best networking tips, and if you want to see even more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified for new videos every single week on this channel. I've shared this quote from Dale Carnegie before because it's a good one. He says, to be interesting, be interested. Simply, if you want people to take a deeper interest in you, start by taking an interest in them. One of the keys to networking and building relationships is being good at asking questions. And this is great because if you're the one asking the questions, it takes the pressure off of you as a student if you feel like you don't have a ton of your own experience to share yet. But as I mentioned earlier, it's important that you're asking better questions than, what do you do? A lot of people are likely already asking that question. So in order for you to stand out and be memorable with this person, I want you to go deeper than that. Ask questions that get people to share stories about their life with you. A person will leave their conversation with you feeling more connected to you and more likely to connect with you again in the future if they do more of the talking because you asked them some thoughtful questions. Asking thoughtful questions and learning more about someone on a deeper level also opens up more possibilities for you to learn more about shared interests that you may have with them. And everyone loves a good shared interest. Something to bond over. It could be an experience, a sports team that you both love, a documentary that you recently watched and learned something new from. After you ask a question, be an active listener and take note of any shared interests so that you can highlight them as the conversation continues and evolves. Okay, so when I say ask deeper and more thoughtful questions of people, what do I really mean? Here are some sample questions that I think are great for students to ask when meeting people, whether it's at a networking event, a career fair, or a random encounter. Give some of these a try next time and see where the conversation goes from there. When you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up? What job have you learned the most from in your career so far? What has become a positive habit in your life that you would recommend to others? What's something you're currently working on that you're excited about? Who's someone who you admire at your company and why? What's something you hope to achieve in your current role? And what would be a podcast or a book that you recommend I check out and why? I love these questions for students because they all have a focus on career exploration or career development, but they are universal in that any professional could answer them. I know from experience that asking great questions can lead to fruitful conversations. At one of the companies I used to work at, I would help my CEO host dinner parties for other startup CEOs when we would travel to New York City for work. The goal was to connect people who didn't know each other yet and potentially help facilitate business ideas and partnership opportunities. But before we let people mingle on their own, we kicked off every dinner party with some icebreaker questions and had people go around the table with their answers. This allowed people to share stories right off the bat, and it gave everyone a chance to learn more about each other on a personal level, find shared interests, and connect before jumping straight into business conversations. It was so incredible to be at the table for those dinners. I learned so many unique things about such successful individuals. So take that same approach to your conversations with people that you meet and interact with. Be curious about them as a person first and build the relationship from there. And I love this question approach to networking so much that I even have a question on my business cards to help break the ice and learn something fun about a person. When someone asks me for a business card, I hand it to them and the first thing they see is the question, what's your party trick? Followed by a picture of me actually doing my party trick. It's always a hit, and I've learned some pretty interesting things about people and their party tricks over the years. So that's my trick to networking and moving beyond the superficial conversations that lead to nowhere. Ask people questions that naturally lead them to go deeper. Get people to share their stories. Go from networking to relationship building, and you'll develop more meaningful connections that bring value to your life. And if you're looking to follow up with someone that you meet at an event and ask them for an informational interview, be sure to grab my informational interview guide that includes an email template and some more tips for connecting with people. I've linked the guide for you in the description below this video. I hope you found this networking tip helpful and that the example questions equip you to dive in and give it a try. Stay tuned for a future video that I'll be releasing all about how to approach your personal elevator pitch when you're meeting new people. I will link it here once it goes live. And just like this video, I love answering your questions. If you have a question for me or a topic that you'd like to see a video on, drop it in the comments below and I will do my best to create a video on it in the future. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you some new insights today, please give it a like and share it with a friend or two. Hit that red subscribe button and bell below so that you don't miss out on future videos. In support of your hustle, I'm Jenna from theinternhustle.com, and I'll see you next Monday.